Maintaining your porch enclosure. Summer tips for longevity. Clean and inspect the structure with mild soap and water, checking for wear and tear. Clean windows and screens with non-abrasive cleaner and repair any tears. Lubricate moving parts like hinges and tracks with silicone-based lubricant. Regularly clean and inspect outdoor furniture for damage and use covers for protection. Check and clean gutters and drains to prevent water damage. Seal and protect wooden surfaces with high-quality sealant or wood protectors. Inspect for pests and use eco-friendly pest control methods. Maintain lighting by checking fixtures and using energy-efficient LED bulbs. Keep plants and landscaping well-maintained around the porch enclosure. Perform regular safety checks on railings, steps, and electrical components to ensure stability and functionality.